अनुस्टार गुमदा तो बिरदि नुगानि माने डिटेल हंगपनि नायबा अदुना लिबा पाइखत लिबा सिगी डिटेल्स मयाम करि गैसै ऑनरेबल मेंबर की द थमजगे सेकेंड दा हुजकी मेंटेनेंस सी 15 फाइनेंस कमीशन की सेंदगी तौबा याबगी पॉसिबिलिटी सु लै हाय अदुना इसा यंगजगे सर
दा स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 298 हंबिगदब ऑनरेबल मेंबर श्री सूर्य कुमार ओक्रम Pahum Bibigada, Honorable Minister of Education.
Sir, start question number 298.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Answer to star question number 298. A, yes. B, 1. Remunerations in respect of arts, science, Hindi graduate teachers, primary Hindi primary teachers engaged on contract basis are pending with effect from 1/9/2023 till date. 2. Salary in respect of recently regularized lecturers are pending with effect from 1/4/2023 till date.
Honorable Speaker, sir, House Honorable Speaker, so Adam Tabi Revenue, sir, Oza Watpagi. Ching da valley da oza wat pagi sing sigi menkhatna ba haina langa sina contractor oza lobby kriba mayam maru oina akhoi gi primary contractual da primary graduate Hindi teacher sing aduga lecturer sing regularized ta gi sing si sigi akhoi gi sir moi khoi gi tolop pithoktana leibisi sir tha mapan su bu su yaure contract ki sina aduga 1/9/2023 gi na regularized contract basis aduga regularized na 1/4/2023 sir sigi tabagi reason si honorable minister na kari laibano kari no hayo matamda sir ai makhoi ki question ji raise tawbada aina mayam masigi laiba oza sing sigi kari kanot laige no oza sing se aina hangja matamda oza kharadi akhoi si private tuition tawsu yadre government gi oza oirabnina atop mayam kano tawsu yadre check suba chali ai khucheng to yengbiyo na sir utpa yawre oza school gi ka dia school su ka ba halaga check suba chatpo yawre sir makhoi gi pithok pidri se maru oina contract adu aru oina regularize tawbe oza sing gi pithok pidri se kayano aduga financial masida paisa changba financial amount sina kayano haibsim tang honorable minister na thambina ba haidna sir thamjari sir thank you
Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable member na raised Thosham Chumi, it's a concern, but I facts from the Thamjage House. Number 1, I quickly contract Oza Singh say 1,394 ni was tolo thama panamuk pangdalay se. Moisi tolo pangnabagi damakta I quickly regular employees ki EIN number haiba dumaina moisu SIN number malay. It's called specific identification number SIN. Hairiba SIN number se finance ki director na generate to gdoba ado hairiba contract employees sing sina ai magi join February join tor matung da moi form fill up tore directorate ta thare directorate na muk ai ki government ta thare government na muk ki finance ki director DIMS ta koi tharaga specific identification number se generate to view na koi loina lai khra the usida out of 1,394 sida housing phawda moi ki technical issues and data entry da khra soiram ba yawba adagi theng pirpa mayam sina maram moirga 1,069 di huzik SIN number generate tawrga laira out of 1,394 aduga hairiba oza sing sigi 1st of March